Well, this was supposed to have been the day that people here in Bolton could pop round again for a cup of tea at a friend's or relative's house. And for a few hours this morning, it was. Local lockdown restrictions had been lifted, despite local leaders warning the government it wasn't safe to do it. By lunchtime, those conditions had been reimposed, leading to confusion and frustration here.
It's been so long since I've seen you.
For a fleeting few hours, there was optimism. This beauty therapist had spent the weekend booking in clients. A ban on performing facial treatments had finally been lifted in Bolton. Within just a couple of hours, she was left cancelling appointments all over again.
I'm like a puppet on a string. It's toy-like behaviour. They are playing with people's lives. Matt Hancock was asked yesterday about Bolton and the borough and was it being kept under restrictions, and he didn't address it. We've been allowed to come back today. The stupidity of it all is just beyond me.
For most people here, the biggest impact will be they still can't spend time in other households. Many of them support the decision to extend restrictions, just not the government's handling of it.
It's new situations all the time for them, but consistency would help people, I think.
It is confusing. Now people were expecting till yesterday, it's all lockdown and lifted, now it's put back again now.
Sometimes it's unclear really from one day to the next what actually is what restrictions there are and what there isn't.
It was announced on Friday that restrictions in 8 areas would be eased today. The reversal in Bolton and Trafford only came at midday, following a sharp jump in infections over the weekend, more than doubling from 17 to 36 per 100,000 people in Trafford, and more than trebling from 18 to 66 in Bolton.
The measures were due to be lifted today, and we took the decision that they aren't going to be lifted in Bolton and in Trafford because the number of cases has gone right up, and we took that swift and decisive action.
But the Labour mayor of Greater Manchester says it should have been taken sooner.
I don't want to row with the government. I don't care whether people call this a U-turn or what. That doesn't matter. What we've got to do here is agree a better way of working, and we need actually to put decision-making more in the hands of local leaders.
The government says decisions were taken in collaboration with local councils, but its critics say delay and confusion are undermining public confidence in the message. Ben Chapman, ITV News, Greater Manchester.